Ok, clase. So, para este video, we are going to talk about, vamos a hablar sobre los deportes. Tanan, tan, tanan. All you sports fans out there. And this is only just parte uno. There is parte dos tomorrow that you have to watch. But for esta noche, we are only going to talk about football and some basic vocab you need to know in verbos for talking about sports. So here's just a beautiful picture and a little description on it. Un grupo de amigos juegan fútbol en la isla de Ometepe en el lago de Nicaragua. So a group of friends that play football in Nicaragua. In the background, al fondo, podemos ver los volcanos Concepción y Maduras. So in the background, we can see two huge volcanoes that are very popular there. Okay, so briefly we've talked about los colores, but I want you to for sure memorize these. Here is, and of course, we're learning colors now because you have to know what color your jersey is. Okay, so rosada or rosado, pink. Amarillo, yellow. Negro, black. Gris, gray. Anaranjado, so say that one. Anaranjado, orange. De color marrón, so maroon. Blanco, white. Verde, green. Azul, blue. And rojo, red. Now notice for some of these, for mostly all of them other than just 2 or 3 of them, you can change its gender. So it can be masculine or feminine depending on what follows after. For some of these, it stays the same the whole way through, which is nice. So gris, verde, and azul, they all stay the same, regardless if the noun that follows is masculine or feminine. So, a little description over here. El uniforme de cada equipo tiene su propio color o colores. So the uniform of each team always has its own color. Okay, here's some other basic vocab you need to know for talking about football. La jugadora, the player. So guess what this would be for masculine? El jugadoro. La camiseta, you know what that is. El pantalón corto, that's these. Los calcetines largos, that's these. Long socks, socks long. Okay. Y las zapatillas, which are like sneakers or, I'm forgetting the word, cleats. Cleats. Zapatos are shoes, zapatillas kind of like cleats, or it could be slippers, but for this case, cleats. All right, some más vocabulario. La portería. La portería means goal. El portero, guess what that is? Goalie. So you have your goalie and goal. La portería, el portero. That makes sense. El equipo, that means team. Lanzar el balón. So this is a verb. To lanzar el balón. That means to literally to launch the soccer ball, but really it just kind of means to kick. So, los jugadores juegan fútbol. El portero guarda la portería. So he's guarding the net or the goal. El jugador puede lanzar, tirar el balón con el pie. So the player is trying to, or he's able to kick or launch the soccer ball with his foot. Pero no puede tocar el balón con la mano. For those of you that play football, you know this, but you are not able to touch the soccer ball with the hand. Okay? El campo de fútbol, this means the soccer field, the camp of soccer, the field of soccer, soccer field. El tanto, so not tonto, not foolish. El tanto is scoreboard. So we have the Tigers versus the Bulls, Toros, Tigres. And no one's winning. Hay dos tiempos en el partido de fútbol. For those of you, again, that play football, you do know this. Or, I'm sorry, excuse me, soccer. There are 2 different half times or times in soccer. Cuando empieza el segundo tiempo, los jugadores vuelven al campo. When the second time starts, the players return on the field. Los aficionados. Los aficionados are fans. Los aficionados. Yay! Fans. Meter un gol. What do you think that means? He's pretty, yes, to make a goal. What? I can't believe this happened. To make a goal. El portero no puede bloquear el balón. Oh. So it says the goalie wasn't able to bloquear the soccer ball. El balón entra en la portería. The soccer ball entered or made it into the goal. El jugador marca un tanto. So he got a score. Los aficionados aplauden. And the fans clap. Here's some more sentences just to practice. Cada equipo quiere ganar el partido. Each team wants to win the game, of course, pero no puede ser. But that can't be. Un equipo pierde. One team lost. Which team was it? The Toros. They look kind of sad. They look a little happy. All right, here are some variables that I need you to copy down, copiar. These are very important. Again, we're going to go over how to conjugate most of these. Some of these are regular, some of them are not regular, but this week we're going to learn how to conjugate some stem changing verbs. So we're going to look at those. But I need you to copy down at least the meaning of these for now. Jugar, to play. Empezar or comenzar means to start. Volver, to return. Poder, to be able to. Querer, to want. Perder, to lose. Ganar, to win. Aplaudir, to applaud. Tocar, to touch. Guardar, to guard. Entrar, to enter. Bloquear, to block. Meter un gol, to make a goal. So copy those down. Again, rewind this. Practice the pronunciation of these. Las pronunciaciones de estos verbos. Okay? Practice these. These are really good to know. Especially some of these you're going to use all the time. Like querer, to want. You're going to use this all the time. Not just talking about sports. So go ahead and practice those. And that is all for this video. We're not going to go on any further. Copy all these words down. And I will see you mañana. Hasta pronto.